Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen just like that, and actually all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, three dots icon and you will be able to find it here. You can tap on it, hold it and drag it to this section to have, of course, much faster access. So let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all previously applied languages. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of them. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Urdu, and as you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So let's tap. And here we've got three different keyboard types. Of course, in this case, because sometimes you will have only one or like 3, 4 or even 5 different keyboards. So basically all you have to do is to simply mark the one you'd like to use. I will pick the second one because I want those graphical signs instead of those, let's say, regular ones, because I would like to show you the actual difference. So after marking the keyboard you like to use, just tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences. So first of all, the space bar is not empty anymore. So right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which is so-called language key, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Now let's tap on it again, and here we've got the English. So basically that's how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2, 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's tap on the languages again, and here from this tab we have to tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of the video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, which means that we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO A94. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.